Namaskar. Welcome to our week 6, day 3. Yes, the very final day of our exercise. And like me, I'm sure we couldn't be much happier. We are the winners, we are the warriors, we have done it. There had been so many ups and downs of the life, but that did not deter us from doing this protocol till the end. So first of all, heartiest congratulations to you all. Okay, so now on the last day of our program, what is the exercise? So this is probably the last time you would be seeing Skelly exercising for you. So you would be sitting on the ball. Now since you have gained a good balance, you would be lifting something heavy and doing the diagonal movement of the body. Okay, so either you can pick up some heavy weight, move it from one side of the shoulder and get it down to the other side, or you can use any kind of resistance band, hold it and pull it onto the other side. Okay, so this is our exercise for our final day. So before moving on, it's time to see our exercise preview. So here's your exercise preview. Alright, so before moving further, as we have always been doing, it's a time for mental imagery. So close your eyes, imagine yourself sitting comfortably and strongly on the ball. You may take the corner of your walls, but I know now you can sit independently, much easily. Okay, now hold the weight on your right arm and slowly just pull it towards the left side around your hip. So you will be doing that diagonal movement. Your feet will be strongly anchored to the floor. If you have a TheraBand or a resistance band or a broad elastic tied up on the window or something, you can pull it in the diagonal direction towards the opposite side. Fantastic. And we'll say it again, a good mental practice leads to a good exercise performance. So in this exercise, we'll be performing 2 sets of 10 repetitions each. So time for a set 1. To do this exercise, sit comfortably on the ball, inflated to the level where you feel quite stable, yet you can easily bounce on the ball. Now lift a weight, maybe about 4 kg dumbbell or dal packet or rice packet, whichever you feel comfortable, and perform the diagonal movement. You start from your right side upwards and come down near your pelvis on the left side. Make sure you are turning your upper back nicely when you take the weight upwards and then come down diagonally. In case you prefer using a TheraBand, you can tie it up in the right side direction and then pull it down towards your pelvis in the left hand side direction. Be gentle in performing your movement, and once you are done for about 10 times on one side, you switch the sides. Make sure when you are bringing it down, you are exhaling out, contracting your abdominal muscles, contracting your pelvic floor muscles, and beautifully performing the exercise under full coordination and control. Keep breathing out, keep performing, and try doing about 10 repetitions stably on the ball. Very good. Very beautifully done. And I see most of you now don't need any kind of support. You do not need corner of the wall. You do not need your bed by your side to prevent your ball from the rolling. Your feet are enough to keep you strongly anchored and prevent your ball from the rolling. So that's fantastic. That's really fantastic. So now let's do our second set of 10 repetitions. To do set 2, we will again sit on the ball comfortably, bounce on the ball and make sure we are quite stable on it. Our spine is in neutral position and our feet, our heels and foot are strongly anchored to the ground and the ball. Now slowly lift the weight, and as previously done, we'll keep breathing out, contracting our abdominal muscles, contracting our pelvic floor muscle, and diagonally move the weight from one side and downwards towards the other side. Be gentle and be coordinated in your movement. A good control in your abdominal muscles, a good control in your pelvic floor muscle will lead to better performance of this exercise. Now change the side once you have performed for about 10 times, and in the same manner you move from upwards to the downward direction, lateral to your pelvis. That means on the side of your hip. Make sure there is a good turning movement in your upper back and you are sitting quite comfortably on the ball. Complete 10 repetitions on both the sides. Very nice. Very nice, and I am so proud of you. I am so proud of you. I cannot say. And this is a kind of overwhelming situation for me, because over these weeks we have developed a very strong relationship. Day or night we have been exchanging videos, we have been correcting each other, we have been encouraging each other to achieve our goal. And I'm so glad that you all have been patiently, slowly and calmly doing it. But this is not the end. This is just not the end, but it is a beginning to a new life. Yes, this 6 weeks were like an eye-opener for you all, where I wanted you to understand your internal capabilities, your capacities, your willpower and your mental strength. Yes, you have been underestimated somewhere or the other. Whenever we have interactions with any of the MS patients, most of the time they say, I cannot do that. Ball exercises is something I cannot do that. So now I cannot, I think, has been changed to I can. And yes, you will continue performing these exercises. All the exercise preview week-wise will always be available on my YouTube channel for your reference. Now what you have to do is, we used to do one exercise for about 2 days. So what you will do, whole of the week exercises, that means 3 exercises you would be doing in 1 day. Yes, that will be your improvement level, and slowly and gradually for whole 1 week you will be practicing all 3 exercises all 6 days a week. 1 day rest is allowed. So slowly and gradually get back to me in about 3 months or 6 months, and I want to see you all walking better and with much better balance. With all my good wishes and all my love from the bottom of my heart, God bless you all. Take care. Bye-bye.